Charging.
Hey guys, welcome to Anna's Tech Videos. Today I'll be showing you how to do that to your phone. Every time you plug it in, you can have Siri say something. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's go ahead and get started. So to do that, you'll have to go to Shortcuts. So go to Shortcuts and click on Automation. And then you can hit that Add button on top. And then go to Create Personal Automation. And then scroll all the way down to Charger. And you can do that to connect it or disconnect it. So each time you connect or disconnect, you can change it to either one. So you'll click on Connected, go Next, and then say Add Action. You can actually add music if you wanted to. You can do a recorded memo if you want to do that. So for this, we'll just go ahead and have Siri speak. So in order to add that, you'll just do search bar, you'll say speak text. And then you'll see speak text, press here, and then you'll see speak. And then right next to that, you'll start typing whatever you want Siri to say. So I'll just have charging. You can say any phrase that you wanted to say. So you can change it to anything. And then you can actually go ahead and go more. And you can do, rate. You can do the pitch and what language you wanted to say it in. And you can do male or female, either one, whichever one you want to say it to. You can do Alex. And then once you do that, you'll hit next. And then make sure you turn this ask before running off. So it doesn't ask you before it runs every time. So all you have to do is don't ask and then hit done. And every time you connect your charger, it will say charging or whatever phrase you want it to say. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section and I'll try to answer your questions. And thanks a lot for watching, guys.